Hey everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to solve an equation with absolute value and then how to solve an inequality with absolute value. So for this equation, the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 12, the way to solve these is set it up in two different equations. So the first one, we're going to rewrite this almost as is. We're just going to take away the absolute value bars. So we write x minus 3 equals 12. For the other version of the equation, for our other solution, we'll write x minus 3, again we're taking away the absolute value bars, but now we're going to write that x minus 3 equals negative 12, because that's what absolute value means. It means that whatever's inside these absolute value bars either equals positive 12 or it equals negative 12. Because if you put either one of these numbers inside there and take the absolute value of it, you'll get 12. So that's why we have to solve both equations. Sometimes people just go to the one equation, but that's not the complete answer. We need to have both. And then we solve each one as usual. I'm going to add 3 to both sides here. Those cancel, and that gives me x equals 15. For one solution, over here, I'll add 3 to both sides. Those cancel, and then that gives me x equals, well, negative 12 plus 3 gives me negative 9. So my solutions for this one are x equals 15 or x equals negative 9. Now when we have an inequality, we're also going to set up two different equations. And I just like to draw these arrows, not necessary, but it's helpful to remember when you see these absolute value bars, you're going to set up two different equations or two different inequalities. So our first one is we're going to write the initial inequality just without the absolute value bars. And the second one, we're going to write that first part, and then we're going to turn around the inequality sign and make this answer over here negative. And then we solve each one of those for the variable. So here we'll add 7 to both sides. Those cancel. We get 2y is greater than 17. Divide both sides by 2. Those cancel, and we get y is greater than 17 halves. Over here, we're going to add 7 to both sides. Those cancel. 2y is less than, okay, negative 10 plus 7 is going to give us negative 3. Divide both sides by 2, and we get y is less than negative 3 halves. And those are our solutions for that inequality.